sunshines. Do you ever need to get ready real quick, fast, and in a hurry? Well, take it from one chronic oversleeper, snooze button hitter, and alarm turner offer to another. I have the perfect routine that will have you out the door and looking like you have your pulled together in no time. But before we get into that, make sure and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you guys never miss a thing. Okay, so I know you're in a hurry, but the first thing you want to remember is to not forget your SPF. I really like the Garnier Clearly Brighter sunscreen. It's oil-free, it doesn't clog my pores, and it has vitamin C in it to help brighten my skin and reduce sun damage. I'm a big fan of vitamin C. If you guys have heard me use the acronym BLT before, that means brighten, lighten, and tighten, which are all the wonderful things that vitamin C will do for your skin. So this is an SPF 30, which is the minimum you want to use on a daily basis. And I love this because it doesn't leave any kind of residue and I don't feel it at all. I actually went out and got this because it won the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, and they were not kidding. I have a hard time with some sunscreens and I really like this one. It also doesn't contain titanium dioxide, which is important for me because I have a nickel allergy, and sometimes titanium dioxide can make that worse. So I have to be careful what kind of sunscreen I put on my skin. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is slap on a little BB cream because I do not have time for foundation. I'm also gonna use the Garnier BB cream. This is their anti-aging kind in light to medium. I opted for this over the kind for combination to oily skin. Now this is supposed to help reduce visible signs of aging, and I haven't been using it long enough to be able to tell you whether or not it's helped with any fine lines or pores. Now this is an SPF of 15, which is why I use the sunscreen underneath it, because that is not enough if you're going outside during the day. This is gonna really even out your skin without having to worry about foundation lines or a lot of blending. It just evens everything out and helps to give you a little bit more of a healthy glow. Now I also really like the Garnier under eye rollers. They contain caffeine, so they help to depuff under your eyes, you know, in case you gotta go when you just woke up. I like the tinted one, and I use this in place of concealer when I'm in a hurry. And you roll it on with a little steel ball, so it's nice and cooling. It kind of wakes you up. And then I'm just gonna gently pat it in with my ring finger. So then I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer to just quickly touch up my brows. This is one of those brow products that's kind of in that triangle shape, and it makes it a lot quicker and softer than a really fine pointed brow pencil. So I'm just going to use a really light hand. And then brush it out with a little spoolie on the end. Now I like this product because it makes it look like I actually have eyebrows on, but it's very natural. It's not overly done, and it doesn't take a lot of time and work. I can draw on my brows with this in about 2 seconds versus the full 10 minutes it takes me to do my full brow routine. So I'm not gonna waste time doing a full eye look. I'm just gonna focus on what's going to make the biggest impact. And for me, that's curling my lashes and then adding a little bit of mascara. This way my eyes look bright and open. And I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise mascara. I really like this mascara because it gives a very full lash, but it's not clumpy at all. And then I'm gonna do the thing that makes me feel the most pulled together and I feel like takes the full focus off of anywhere I might be lacking. I love to pop on a bright lip when I need to feel like I have my life together. So I'm gonna use Maybelline's SUPERSTAY Matte Ink in Ruler because I love this shade. This is part of the UN-NUDES collection that they just recently launched, and it was originally only exclusive on Amazon, and now you can find it pretty much in any drugstore. If you guys watch my videos, you know I'm a big fan of this lipstick formula because it stays put and I don't have to touch it up. And this is definitely my new favorite shade. Alright, so once you've got your lips on, there's just one more thing I like to do that makes me feel like I have my pulled together. You just gotta pop on your favorite sunglasses. And if they're big enough, you don't even have to do your brows. Nobody questions me when I have my Ray-Bans on. Alright guys, so from one procrastinator to another, let me know what your favorite get ready quick tips are down in the comments. And like this video if you liked it, and subscribe so that way you don't miss any of the videos coming out for you guys on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And feel free to share if you know of anybody that could use a little sunshine in their day.